Yo, what's happening, everybody? Yeah. Got a whole bunch of black kings and queens in the building. Whenever you want to infuse oil, you want to start with cold oil. You don't start with hot oil or oil that's at the frying point. You start with a cold oil and you keep it at the minimum temperature so it doesn't fry too much. You want it to just slowly simmer. You don't want it to be fried. All right, today is the day for the event, the last ride in the kitchen. We're gonna go to get some stuff done so they can load everything and head out to the venue. In the meantime, we're gonna have great fun, lots of good food, lots of good drinks. We're going to some amazing chefs. Alain.
Got happening over here, chef?
Yeah, man, we got to fry some plantain chips.
Okay.
Back home we call those papita.
Nice.
We
Real
slice
excited.
them on the mandolin, and we're gonna fry them and then toss them in a blend of seasoning, you know, some Cajun, paprika, salt, pepper, and stuff like that. You know, kick it up for the night.
Oh yes, sir. Fire, smoking soul, baby.
Yeah.
You heard him. You heard him. Get ready to get this thing started.